Hello, everyone. I am so excited to be here with you guys today. Quick question. Is your online business legally protected? If you have an online business or you're looking to start one, then you definitely want to watch this video because I am thrilled to interview one of my customers, Rachel, who just recently started her business online. So she launched her new business. I'm going to let her tell you what that is, but I will give you a little hint. Her business niche is very interesting, and you might even need some of her services. So pay attention. In today's video, you will learn how Rachel protected her online business from the very beginning by grabbing my VIP legal bundle templates and also working with me one-on-one to get answers to her business and legal questions. And you can do the same. So we'll cover some of the other most important costly legal mistakes that you should absolutely avoid in your business. So let's get started. Hi, Rachel. How are you doing?
Hi, Amira. How are you? I'm doing good.
I'm so excited to be here with you. Can you tell us a little bit about your business and where are you located?
Yes. So my business is Tranquilo Pal Wellness, LLC. And I'm a women's wellness coach and also a yoga and meditation teacher. So I help women stop hating their bodies and go from self-criticism to feeling empowered and confident in their skin through my programs that I offer, which is virtually, but I'm based here in New Mexico in the States.
Very nice. By the way, I have been doing meditation for a long time. So I'm like a big believer in affirmations, meditation. That's why I said your niche is so interesting to me. But how did you hear about me, Rachel?
Yeah, so I actually got a colleague of mine who is in my wellness coaching program forwarded an email to me because we were talking about the topic of like legal protection and like all of that craziness. And yeah, so she forwarded an email to me. And so I went to your page directly and I was like, whoa, there is an abundance of resources here. And I loved also that obviously that you were a lawyer, but also that you had that coaching experience too. So that kind of drew me in, and like accessibility of your prices compared to other things that I was looking into was really appealing as well. Yeah.
Yeah, no, thank you. I'm so glad we connected because you're right about the prices. Like my fellow lawyers probably get angry because they see like how affordable my stuff is as compared to theirs. Now, I know you got like our VIP legal bundle, waiver and release of liability agreement, and you also set up a business consultation with me. Before I get into the details of what those are, I just want to hear from you, like what were some of your worries and concerns that needed that kind of legal help?
Yeah, so oh my gosh, I had so many questions. One, because of a current licensure that I'm still holding as a family nurse practitioner, but that I'm not utilizing in the space of my business. And so I was like, I don't really know, like, what documents do I need? And then also because I have this yoga and meditation component to my programs, that's kind of like a physical component. And so I was like, I'm sure there's some sort of like legal document waiver, something that's needed. And then I was also like in the works of constructing my website. So I needed to know like, okay, what needs to be on here? So I had all those questions, which is why I absolutely loved our consult call because you were so open to answering all of my questions and very patient with me. And I remember feeling just like relieved after our conversation and like, okay, I can take action step. I can move forward now, instead of just feeling like held back or like in this weird limbo zone.
Yeah, yeah. I'm proud of you because you took action. A lot of people in the beginning, when they're starting their business, they are like, they're scared and they don't know. And so they just don't do anything. Sometimes, the fear
Ah,
also stops our progress and our actions. So I'm glad that you actually not only got the templates, and by the way, those of you who don't know, Rachel got the VIP legal bundle, which is my most popular bundle of 16 legal templates and bonuses. This is the bundle that gives you everything from website legal pages, the templates, as well as the essential contracts and things that you need, such as coaching agreements and more. And then another thing she got was the waiver and release of liability, like as she mentioned. So a lot of people don't know why you might need that. So I'm glad that you mentioned that whenever you're engaging in any kind of activity or service that you're providing, especially the one that where people are participating and there's a risk of injury associated, like yoga, sometimes even meditation, those kinds of things, or even coaching, right? Wellness coaching, all of these things come with a little bit of risk. And then if a client suffers like a negative consequence, then you have to protect yourself as a business owner from that lawsuit. And you do that by having them sign that release. So I'm glad that, Rachel, you took action and you basically not only got the templates, the appropriate documents, but then you also took it one step further and you're like, okay, I have some more additional questions and concerns, and let me get that 101 call with Amira and then get those answers. So did the call help you? Like, I know you said that it basically answered all the questions, but is there anything else that the call provided that you felt like, okay, this is it, this is what I needed?
Yeah, I mean, I think it just gave me clarity on like very concrete, like what do I need? What are the exact documents? And then, you helped clarify what is okay and what I should be doing as far as like my licensure as a nurse practitioner, but not in my business as a coach. Um, so it just, yeah, all of that kind of gave clarity and then confidence for me to move forward. So I'm really glad that and I actually had the consult call before. Yeah, because then I felt like really set and like, okay, I'm gonna get this, this, and this. So yeah, that was what I personally needed. And I really do recommend that for any of you that like are just kind of like, I don't know what the hell I need. Having this consult call, Amira's like so patient and knowledgeable, and she is going to let you know exactly what you need. And then from there, you can make a decision instead of from a place of like fear, or contraction. So you can go in with confidence and move forward.
So what about the fact that some people I see like making a legal mistake of just going on Google and just grabbing any template thinking that's going to be enough to protect their business, which is obviously not a smart move. Did that thought ever occur to you? Or obviously you didn't do that. So what were your reasons for not trusting free legal templates?
Yes, I mean, I definitely did searches for sure. And even like I remember when I was first like reaching out to you, you very kindly did review one of the documents, and I was like, is this okay? Like for yoga and coaching? And you're like, no. So yeah, I mean, it was really stressful because it's like you don't know who wrote this. Like, it may look good, but I'm like, I have no idea what should exactly be in this document. Like, I knew it was a priority for me for these documents to be written by a lawyer. And so, yeah, I just kind of stopped messing with that and was like, this is something that I need to feel safe and secure and to, be able to then provide my services, which is what I'm primarily enthused about. So, yeah.
Right. I remember looking at that document that you shared and I was like, this is not at all enough.
Yes, no, thank you.
That's the problem with the free templates out there. People don't realize that it's always missing like key legal provisions and it's not enforceable often in court and it just doesn't really protect you. So you think you're grabbing something and then you don't even know if it's going to really even be useful. So Rachel, in the end, is there anything else that you would like to share with people that are watching about the VIP legal bundle or any other interactions with me or anything that's something that people would appreciate?
Yeah, I think a couple things that I didn't say yet. I also really appreciate the access to the Facebook group as well. Once you purchase the bundle, really great. Like I utilize it a lot for questions that I still have. And even through like email support, you guys are always so like receptive, timely, which I really appreciate. And so that's been like such a pleasant experience. And yeah, so I'd add that.
Well, thank you so much for your time. Tell our viewers like how they can reach you and what are some of the amazing things that they can expect from you.
Yes, so you can reach me at my website, which is tranquilopawellness.com. And I'm so excited. I am launching my newest program, Own Your Beauty, which is going to be a 10-week combined coaching and yoga program for women to help them stop hating their bodies and become empowered in their skin. So I'm really excited about that. You can access that information on my website. Thanks so
Very
much.
cool. And you did all this pretty fast. So
Yeah, things have been moving at light speed, Amira. Like,
Because I
Quantum
remember our conversation, you're launching and then you're already doing, so that's amazing. Great work.
leap.
So, all right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments and we will get to them.